Built-in interfaces for automation expansion. Optional standard gantry loader module. Quickly builds fully automated unmanned cells. Achieves unattended loading, unloading and batch machining. Supports built-in spindles and live tooling. Optional Y-axis and other modular features. Customizable for various machining processes. Flexibly expands machine performance. Multi-purpose machine meets diverse production needs. The workhorse for mass-producing small precision parts.